Hi, welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video about this absolutely cracking KTM 690 Enduro R. Here we have a KTM 690 Enduro R. This is a 2022 bike on a 22 plate with just 5,556 miles, one owner from new and a full service history. This bike is in excellent condition and comes in the orange, of course, being a KTM, and it does have a very nice sticker kit on it, which makes it look really racy. There's a rear rack there as well. All the bodywork in excellent condition. There's no sign of off-road use at all really on this bike. I don't know what someone's been doing with it, but there's certainly not much off-road because it's absolutely pristine. At the bar ends, no damage there at all. And the handguards and the mirrors. All the forks there, the WP Xplor upside down forks are in excellent condition as well, as you can see, as is the front wheel. Dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes, scratches, no corrosion appearing on the spokes there. The front tyre, plenty of life left in that one there as well, and the front mudguard in excellent condition. Say all the frame, all the engine, all excellent. There's a bash plate there as well. Say no sign of any corrosion anywhere on the bike at all. Really is in beautiful condition. Swing arm again, all good, and you've got those anodised paddock stand bobbins as well. The rear wheel, again, all in excellent order, with no dings, dents, scuffs, scrapes or scratches, and no corrosion on those spokes. And the rear tyre, plenty of life left in that one as well. Knobbly, of course, so nice and purposeful if you do intend to use this bike off-road. No rips or tears in the seat there, that's all good. And the front of the bike, no stone chips in the cowl or the headlamp or the front mudguard, all in excellent condition as we said. The left-hand side of the bike, same story here really, absolutely in beautiful condition, and no damage to the mirror or the handguard, the bar end there, all good as well. And the front forks on this side again, all good, as is the front wheel, as you can see there. Anti-lock brakes, of course, which is switchable on this Enduro bike, and you've got foot pegs there, they're all in great condition as well. All the bodywork here on this left-hand side, again in absolutely immaculate condition. You've got the Akrapovič silencer as well, which is a nice addition and no doubt rather pricey accessory from the KTM catalogue. Chain sprockets, all good as well. Plenty of life left in those. I mean, the adjusters are right up to the front. Look, there you go. And the rear wheel on this left-hand side, again in great condition. Your rear shock, if we can see that in there, no sign of any corrosion there either. All in fantastic order. And the top of the bike, there's your rack. As I said, no rips or tears or damage in the seat. There's a digital display there as well. And you've got switchable traction control on this one also. So if you are looking for a very purposeful, dual-purpose motorcycle, look no further than this beautiful KTM 690 Enduro R. So let's fire this one up and have a listen. Here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with the current MOT as service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this cracking KTM, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.